Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years. It is not just a physical exercise, but also a way to achieve mental and emotional well-being. Regular practice of yoga can help improve flexibility, strength, balance, and overall health. In this video, I will explore some basic yoga asanas, postures, that are suitable for beginners and can be practiced by people of all age groups. Whether you are new to yoga or have been practicing for a while, these asanas can help you maintain good health and well-being. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here your tips. 1. Tadasana, mountain pose. Tadasana is a simple standing posture that helps improve posture and alignment. Stand with your feet together, arms relaxed by your sides, and distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, and gaze forward. Breathe deeply and hold this pose for a few breaths. 2. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Vrikshasana is a balancing pose that strengthens the legs and improves focus and concentration. Start in Tadasana and shift your weight onto your left foot. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot on your left inner thigh or calf. Keep your hands in a prayer position at your heart center or extend them overhead. Find your balance and hold for a few breaths before switching sides. 3. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana is a rejuvenating pose that stretches the entire body, especially the shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. Begin on your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Curl your toes under, exhale, and lift your knees off the floor, straightening your legs. Press your hands firmly into the mat and lengthen your spine. Relax your neck and hold for a few breaths. 4. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Bhujangasana is a gentle back bend that strengthens the spine and opens the chest. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended and tops of the feet resting on the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, palms facing down. Inhale, press your palms into the mat, and lift your chest off the floor. Keep your elbows slightly bent and relax your shoulders. Hold for a few breaths and release. 5. Balasana, child's pose. Balasana is a restorative pose that helps release tension in the back, shoulders, and neck. Start on your hands and knees, then sit your hips back towards your heels, allowing your forehead to rest on the mat. Extend your arms forward or rest them alongside your body. Breathe deeply and relax in this pose for as long as you like. 6. Viparita Karani, legs up the wall pose. Viparita Karani is a relaxing inversion that promotes blood circulation and relieves tired legs and feet. Sit sideways next to a wall and swing your legs up the wall as you lie down on your back. Keep your legs straight and relax your arms by your sides. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, staying in this pose for several minutes. 7. Savasana, corpse pose. Savasana is a final relaxation pose that helps calm the mind and rejuvenate the body. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to melt into the mat. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension or stress. Stay in this pose for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Breathing techniques, pranayama. Deep breathing, pranayama. Benefits. Step-by-step guide. Foundational asanas. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Alignment. Benefits. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Proper form. Health benefits. Child's pose, Balasana. Relaxation technique. Benefits for the spine and neck. Seated asanas. Lotus pose, Padmasana. Preparation. Benefits for meditation. Easy pose, Sukhasana. Comfortable sitting. Meditation and breathing benefits. Standing asanas. Warrior eye, Virabhadrasana eye. Strengthens legs and core. Alignment tips. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Improves balance. Focus and concentration benefits. Balance and flexibility. Bridge pose, Satubandhasana. Strengthens back muscles. Opens chest and hip flexors. Forward bend, Uttanasana. Stretches the spine and hamstrings. Calms the mind. Relaxation and restorative asanas. Corpse pose, Savasana. Total relaxation. Stress reduction. Supported fish pose, Matsyasana. Opens the chest and heart. Using props for support. Developing a routine. Creating a personalized practice schedule. Gradual progression and setting realistic goals. These are just a few of the many yoga asanas that can be practiced for good health. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. It is always a good idea to learn yoga under the guidance of a qualified instructor, especially if you are a beginner. With regular practice, you will gradually build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness, leading to improved overall health and well-being. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours nearest surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all. Once more thing, please guys and girls, subscribe, like, share, comment my YouTube channels. Request you all of them, thanks. Please wait some more poses, basic yoga asanas for good health, please see.